What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. I'm out here at the waterfall today. If you guys know about the waterfall, you know I catch monsters out here. We're out here today looking for them. It's the first time I've been out here this spring. I'm gonna get the cast net, throw it around, find some bait, get it out there, see if we can find them. Let's go. All right, got this cast net. I'll try right over here in this corner first. One, perfect. Oh, there's two. Perfect. On this first pole, got this little dude here. I'm gonna hook him right here through the back. He's on a bobber. Go. While those two are out there marinating, I got this little white paddle tail tied on. I'm gonna throw this around in here, see if we can entice somebody this way. Here we go. There we go. First fish of the day. Oh, chill out, buddy. Chill out. Little wiper. All right, there's the first fish of the day. Just a small wiper. Let this guy go. One's gone. Yep, we're on. Show yourself. Oh, a little another wiper. Let's go. Chill out, chill out. Oh, of course he swallowed it. Alright, we got it out. He swallowed it. He's bleeding real bad. I'm gonna get him back real quick. Hopefully he makes it. Sorry, buddy. Thanks for biting though. Yeah, I don't know. He swam off kind of slow. He's still right there. Dang. That sucks. Alright, back over here in this corner. Hopefully there's some more. Go. See something in there. Yep, perfect. The bluegill. All right, another piece of bait. Looking the same way, right through the back. This guy was up over there next to where the rapids feed in there. It's right up on it, so I'll put this thing right back over there. Yeah, about right there. This is under. Where is it? Oh, bruh. And it took the bait. This one's gone now too. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah, we on. This one feels pretty good. Oh yeah, what is this? What is that? Oh my God, what is this? Oh my God. Are you kidding me? What? Holy. Are you kidding me right now? Look at the size of this walleye. Hold on. Are you kidding me? What just happened right now? Oh my God. It still got teeth. Chill out, buddy. Chill out. There it goes. Are you kidding me? You guys, let me turn the camera around so you guys better. Yo, are you kidding me right now? Do you guys see this? This is a massive PB walleye or sauger. I don't know which one it is. I don't know how to tell the difference. But look at this behemoth. I gotta go up to the van real quick to get the stringer and the scale. I'll be right back with you guys. We're gonna get a weight on this puppy. Got the scale. Oh, chill out, buddy. All right, zeroed out. There it is, locked in. 309. Hopefully you guys can see that good enough. That's a new PB, baby. Let's go. There he is. He ain't even fit in here. Let's go. All right, another little bluegill. We're gonna hook him the same way. Right through the back. Put him right back over there. Oh my God, instantly. It's gone already. Yep. Oh, this feels good. What is this? Doesn't feel quite as big as that walleye. What is this, swimming at me now? Oh, another little wiper. Yes, sir. That was instantly, you guys. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. I turned around to grab my cast net, turned back around. It was gone. That's number 4. That's the 3rd little wiper. Let's go. This is crazy. Again. Oh. Are you kidding me? It was right here too, whatever it was. Dang it. This one's under. That's kind of decent. What's this? Another walleye. Yes. That's another chunky walleye. He's not nearly as big as the first one. Oh, and my other one is under. Oh no, it's not. It's right here. Oh my God. Sorry guys. Let me get this guy back out so I can show you. All right. There we go. It's another walleye. That's another good one. Chunky. And walleye is so good too. That's 2 in the bucket, baby. Look at that big one though. That's ridiculous. It's gone. Oh my God, we're on again. This is the big one. Oh, this is big. Oh God. Oh, this is a big one. It's a big one, guys. Come on. Stay on, please. What are you? Oh, come on. I see the bobber. What is it? Is that another big walleye? Are you kidding me? Oh, that's a wiper, I think. It's a big wiper. Yeah, it's a big wiper. Big wiper. Get on up here. Yes. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What? Oh my God. He swallowed it, of course. Do you guys see this freaking fish? Oh my God. That's probably a PB wiper. Where's my scale at? All right, here we go. Oh, chill out, 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 buddy, chill out. Hold on, hold on. Let's try it again. .89. That's a PB. Are you kidding me? 2 different species PBs in the same trip. That is crazy. Look at this behemoth. Jesus Christ. Put him in there. Put him in there. This dude I thought was too big, but now we're gonna put him on because we just caught another monster. Let's go. Right there. This one's gone again. Yep. This one feels all right. I don't know what this is. What is this? Doesn't feel quite that big. Smaller. What is this? Another walleye. Another eatable walleye. That's crazy. Let's go. Oh, he was barely hooked. Look at that. That's crazy. Another eatable walleye though. Let's see if I can get a better grip on him so you guys get a better look. There we go. Right out here in front of this waterfall. We ain't playing. This walleye number 3 going in the bucket. Chill out. And of course we need some more bait now. First throw got one. 2. All right. That's what we needed right there. All right, we got another little guy hooking him back up, sending him back out. It's right here. Right here. Got him. Oh no! My bobber came off. Got it. Hey, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, buddy, chill out. All right, there's another small wiper. I think that's fish 10 or 11 that we've landed. This one's gone again. Yep. Hold on. Is this another wiper? Looks like it. Yep. Get on up here, buddy. Oh, he swallowed it, I could tell, because he's bleeding already. Damn it. Alright, he's bleeding pretty bad, but I got it out pretty cleanly, I think. I'm gonna let him go. The other guy, that guy got hooked earlier, made it. So hopefully this dude does too. There he goes. Just swim off. He got crushed. Let's go. Does it feel super big? Another wiper. Let's go. Oh, chill out, buddy. Damn it. How do y'all keep swallowing the daggum hook? It's an octopus hook, so. There you go. Got that one out clean. I think this dude will actually live. Let's go. Ooh, he's bleeding on that side though. Let's go. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it for today's video. Got to the midday here and the bite has died out. Heck of a morning though. Caught, I believe, around a dozen. I lost track at some point. Let me show you guys my 2 PBs though. One last time. 3+ pound walleye. And then we caught this big, massive, almost 5 pound wiper. Everything else we caught was wipers and walleye. I'm going home with 3 of the walleye, that big wiper. Can't ask for a better morning. Came out here, caught 1 on artificial, the rest on a live bait. Heck of a day. But for now, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.